So in this video today, we're testing the low light of these cameras. I took a little walk to work this morning and I took these 4 cameras with me. We've got the Insta360 Ace Pro 1, we've got the GoPro 13, the new version, we've got the DJI Action 5 Pro, and just for good measure, we've got the DJI Action 4 because it's sort of an incremental upgrade. But the 5 Pro does have a new super night mode, which I wanted to test out, especially against the Ace Pro because that's got some really good low light in the pure video mode. So yeah, pure video mode was on the Ace Pro, normal video mode was on the GoPro 13. DJI Action 5 Pro had this super night mode and it was normal 8-bit mode on the Action 4. So here's a little taster of what to expect if you shoot in low light conditions with these 4 cameras. By the way, before we jump into the footage, can you see this box? Little teaser for you. That is the Insta360 Ace Pro 2. It's coming in about 3 weeks time. I've got it to test, so if you're new to the channel, make sure you do subscribe because I am going to be doing a lot on that camera. It's pretty impressive and you won't be disappointed. So anyway, let's jump into the low light footage to see what this looks like in a dark scenario, it must be said. So in conclusion, I think, in my eyes, just looking at the footage, editing the footage, zooming into 400%, the Ace Pro is still, last year's Ace Pro is still the king of low light when it comes to low light, really low light environments. The GoPro, let's do this. We can just put it away over there because it's just hopeless in low light conditions. What is this bit? It's unusable, totally crap footage, and I just wouldn't recommend it for any low light conditions. Bright light, sunny days, California sun, 100%, it's the best camera. But for everything else, I just wouldn't pick it. The thing that I found interesting is that the Super Night mode, in my opinion, wasn't that much better than the Action 4 from last year. It's a slight improvement. There's some colour shift in the image, but I don't think it's that much of an improvement over the Action 4 from last year, which is a little bit disappointed in the Action 5 Pro because everything else about that camera I really, really like. I actually took it on a wild camping trip with my son this weekend and I did a really dark test. You basically couldn't see me, but there wasn't too much difference in the footage when I played it against the Action 4 in the editing software. So super low light mode, not too impressed. What is shocking though is that the Ace Pro is last year's model. The new one is over here, and Insta360 say that it's been drastically improved for low light, enhanced footage over the Ace Pro from last year. So how good is that low light going to be in the new model of the Ace Pro? I'm very, very interested. I haven't unboxed it yet. I'm going to test it out, so make sure you do subscribe, press the bell so you don't miss any future uploads. We have, of course, got the DJI Pocket 3 as well, but that's not really an action camera. It's more of a vlogging camera. It doesn't really match up with the specs of these cameras as regards to build quality and waterproofness and stuff like that, so that's why I tested these four. Yeah, Ace Pro, still the best low light camera, pure video mode. It's just a lot clearer. It is a warmer image, but you can change now the colour profiles. I've added Leica colour profiles. That was just on standard. So you can play around with the image colours. And I'm very impressed with that camera. I love the fact that it's got this flip screen as well. And I think this is still present on the new one. So yeah, stay tuned. Like I said, I'm going to be covering a lot on that camera. Still the king of low light. So that's a conclusion in my eyes. Let me know what you think in the comments down below. I'll be interested to hear your thoughts. And man, that GoPro is really bad.